What's up, YouTube? On this installment of Do It Your Damn Self TV, we're going to take a look at wheel bearings. Maybe you've experienced this yourself, or you're just trying to find out what that clicking, grinding noise is going on with your car. Well, chances are it's your wheel bearing. If yours is the grinding variety, chances are the inside casings come apart, and you're going to hear this. These right here are bad wheel bearings from hubs I've taken off of previous cars. On the inside of this one, the casings come apart on the inside of the wheel bearing, and it's producing a nasty grinding noise. A lot of times you can feel the thumping, grinding feeling through the pedal of the gas, and you can most definitely hear it going down the road. This turning at high speed is going to make a nasty grinding noise to the point where you're not going to be able to hear the radio. And the second most common wheel bearing issue is a click as you turn. This one will have some grinding to it, but it's the clicking that's the annoying part. And the reason for it is, instead of disintegrating on the inside, the whole casings come apart. I don't know if you, there we go. That wiggle right there is the whole wheel bearing has come apart on the inside. It's even hard to turn. In both of these cases, you're definitely going to have to take out the old wheel bearing and replace it with a new one. Newer wheel bearings are cast into this. And about the best way to get this out is to take this part to a machine shop and have them press the bearing out, get the new bearing at the auto parts place, take it with you, and have them press that bearing in. All in all, it's going to cost you about $30 to get it pressed in and the other one pressed out. And it depends on your wheel bearing how much that one's going to cost. Average price of a lot of Chrysler and Ford wheel bearings are between $30 and $60. On a lot of older cars, if it's a cheap car and I just don't feel like messing with it, a lot of times I'll just go to the junkyard. I'll find a good wheel bearing, this whole unit right here, take off the entire unit. It'll cost me about $15. Take it home, install it. You can get one of these off the car in about 45 minutes, half an hour if you're quick, and it's even faster to put back on. Just make sure all your torque settings are right. And that's it for this installment of Do It Your Damn Self TV. Happy fixing.